Hi, I am Guinto, and I'll be presenting about solar cells which can utilize both sunlight and rainwater to harness energy. This is based on the recent research by Tang, Wang, Yang, and He of the Ocean University of China, which was published just this March 2016 on this journal hosted by the German Chemical Society. Photovoltaic solar power generation has long been seen as a clean energy technology. It is both plentiful and a widely distributed renewable resource. Consider, it is said that more energy from sunlight strikes Earth in an hour than all the energy we consume in a year. It sounds very promising and is quite incredible, but of course, we know that we do not have the sun shining overhead us all the time. Several factors are at play, but we know that in a rainy weather, when it's relatively dark, it would be advantageous if a device can also utilize rainwater to generate energy. This is what the researchers address in this study. The cell design is actually an integration of already existing technologies, the dye-sensitized solar cell and the pseudocapacitor, creating what the authors called a bi-triggered solar cell. The operation of the solar cell is possible because of the photovoltaic effect. Essentially, a photon of sufficient energy excites an Moreover, in the pseudocapacitor, the energy is stored electrochemically following the adsorption of solvated ions onto an electrode. In the actual research, the solar cell component was made using already established procedures. Attractive features of the DSSC include its flexibility and relatively high transparency. The maximum power conversion efficiency was reported to be 6.53%. This shows the adsorption of solvated ions onto graphene creates the pseudocapacitor. The stored charge can potentially be used to supply electrical energy. Unfortunately, if one looks into the paper, the research used simulated rain with conditions that remotely resemble those in actual operation. Meter squared area, or 10 centimeters squared, but still, they presented a sort of a proof of concept. Since the study is quite new, there are no patents on the viability of pseudocapacitors in complementing solar cells that are currently available on the web. Yet, here are some of the related patents that I found. This one, which is one of the earliest, describes a combination of existing power generating devices we can apply their idea to tap a number of other, perhaps more suitable resources to generate energy. While we have hydroelectric power generators that make use of falling water itself, maybe we can also look now into using salt-rich seawater. Also, since excreted water contains salts, adaptable solar cells. Thank you very much.